Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I will be cleaning my room and also preparing for online classes. This video was filmed last Sunday and I plan to change my sheets and clean my room since I know that I won't be able to do it when the sem starts. If you're seeing this video, I've already started my classes last September 17 and I just only had one class, but it was pretty chill. But during this week, I was just really tired and stressed because I had a lot to do. I have a lot of meetings since ayun nga, we really have to start with all the meetings beforehand before the sem starts. So it was really hectic, but I managed to survive.
I won't never let this go. Wait until the final show, where I'm shedding all my clothes. Come and see me head to toe. Haven't been awake this long, but I'd rather just be gone. I'll need another wake-up call or something that'll keep me moving on. I might try your meditation. Maybe that'll rid of all the stress. And come and see how everything just circles in the end. I don't know how to tell you this, but the situation's getting really weak for me. Just text, don't call, stop feeding my anxiety. I won't never let this go. Wait until the final show, where I'm shedding all my clothes. Come and see me head to toe. Haven't been awake this long, but I'd rather just be gone. I'll need another wake-up call or something that'll keep me moving on. Moving on.
As you can see, I'm planning to rearrange my furniture since I just really wanna change it up a little bit. And the way my table was placed on the right side of my room, the vanity table, I think it would really be constricting for me since I have a drafting class this sem and the next sem. So I moved it a bit and changed it up a bit. I also ordered some cabinets for my vanity table since I plan to remove all the stuff on the table and just place it on the drawer, since I want to redecorate the table and put some cute stuff. Also, we cannot forget cleaning my table. It's really important for me to clean my table since, as you can see from my elbow, I really have bad allergies and I'm still trying to figure out what to do with it. But I've managed to contact a derma and everything, but since the ECQ, I haven't been able to go back to my dermatologist.
Blame the 19, so many different scenes, growing for what routine. Everything's one routine. All of 19, staying in quarantine. Blame the 19, staying in quarantine.
And of course, the moment you've all been waiting for. So this is an updated Notion dashboard. I've put all my tables, my to-do list in one dashboard so I can see them all together. And since I'm preparing for my classes, I've been filling up this first semester class list. So I'm just filling up the name, the prof, and the schedule for now, since at this time I wasn't able to get the course pack and course guides yet. I also have a curriculum checklist just to make sure I'm taking all the right classes. And for my architecture design template, this template is something I'm looking forward to use since I didn't get to make one last year. But I think this will be more effective when it comes to design classes, to collect all the concepts, the iterations, the design inspirations, the site analysis, and everything. So if you're an arki student, you can use this as well. I'll leave the link below. For my calendar, as you can see, there is a lot on the left side of my screen, but I think it's really effective for me to put out all the things I have in my calendar, since the first thing I update is always my Google Calendar. Then I place all my tasks on Notion, and then after I go to my planner and plan out which tasks in Notion do I do in a certain day. So as you can see, my September has been really busy with all the posting for UFM, the schedule of classes for the next week. But I think I'll be able to handle it, hopefully. Another tip I could give you guys is this bookmark tab. I'm just making folders for my classes since it will be easier for me to sort out all the files that I have to get for quick access. And I installed this bookmarks extension tab in Google Chrome. When you open a new tab, it shows you all the necessary bookmarks you need. And you also have a customized new tab. You can put also your quick link. As you can see, for my Google Drive, I also have these folders that I keep. So I categorize them into submission, guides, and lectures. So lectures will be for the PowerPoint, submissions for all the homework, the projects, the plates, and the guides for the course pack, the course calendar. As I mentioned earlier, I'll be drafting this sem and next sem, so I'm planning to buy some A3 Hopia size papers since I'll be needing them for my drafting class, and a uni pen. I have a lot of stock of uni pen, but I just need this .005 one since it's really handy. And lastly, of course, I will be organizing my planner. So this is my digital planner, and I've updated some of the features of this layout since I really need like a daily planner. So I'm just plotting out every meeting I have, or plot down all the tasks I have in that day. So I'm doing some kind of time blocking, perhaps, to make sure that I will be able to do the task within that time, and also make time for rest. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and also comment down below if you want me to do voiceovers like these in my future videos. That's it, and thank you for watching.